There's one question, so simple, so soft, that it unravels a liar in seconds. Ask it once and watch the mask slip. See, liars rehearse answers, not questions. They meticulously plan their story, their timing, their tone, every detail to construct a believable facade. But what they don't prepare for is the profound silence that follows a truth they simply don't possess. This unpreparedness is their undoing. So next time you feel that subtle shift, that moment of doubt, you simply say, "What made you feel like you couldn't just tell me the truth?" And then you wait. Not angry, not accusing, not even slightly agitated. Just genuinely curious. Your calm demeanor is key. Because the truth, in its purest form, is never afraid of a question like that. It stands firm, unwavering, ready to be revealed. But a liar? A liar will flinch. They will hesitate, their carefully constructed narrative beginning to crumble under the weight of genuine inquiry. They'll stall, searching for words that aren't there. They'll over-explain, adding unnecessary details to fill the void. They might even get defensive, lashing out to deflect. Or they'll shut down completely, their eyes avoiding yours, their body language closing off. This silence speaks volumes, because that quiet confidence in your voice, that unwavering gaze, tells them you already know. It communicates a profound understanding without a single accusation. And now, the story isn't in their control anymore. The power has shifted, subtly but decisively, from their hands to yours. You don't need to chase their truth. You don't need to beg for it or plead or demand. The truth will reveal itself in the space you create. You just have to create the kind of silence where lies can't breathe, where deception withers under the light of genuine inquiry. Ask it once, and let the silence speak louder than they ever could. Let the absence of a truthful answer be the loudest statement of all.